Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Fix Everythings. Today, I'll show you how to replace the toner cartridge on the Ricoh MP5002, and what to do if your prints are still light or faded after changing the toner. Alright, so when you see this message, add toner, it means your toner is empty, and the machine needs a new one. Let's fix that. First, open the front cover carefully. Next, pull out the toner bottle straight and slowly, just like this. Make sure not to spill any remaining toner. Before installing the new toner, shake it well to loosen up the powder inside. Now insert it firmly into the slot, and make sure it clicks into place. Then, close the front cover. But here's a small tip. Wait about 10 seconds before closing it completely so the copier can detect the new toner. Now, print or copy a counter test page to check. You'll see the copier is working again. But if the print still looks light, don't worry. Usually, the process control function needs a few runs. Just print or copy around 10 pages. Then the developer will receive enough toner, and the print will return to normal density. If you want to make it faster, here's a trick. Let's force toner supply using service mode. Press reset, then 1, 0, 7, and hold clear or stop until the screen changes. Select System SP, it's the first line. Then enter 2-207 and press the button. Tap Execute and wait about 2-3 minutes. When you see Complete, the toner has been successfully pumped into the developer unit. I hope this helps you fix the add toner issue and get perfect prints again on your Ricoh MP5002. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support really motivates me to create more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll restore the hopper system together. Stay tuned, and keep fixing everything. Now, press exit to leave service mode, and print another counter page to check print quality. You should see the image. Looks much darker and more stable now. Important note, don't overuse this SP mode. If you keep forcing toner too often, it can cause too much toner, making your prints dirty or blackened. So only use it when necessary. If your print is still light after forcing toner, the hopper might be clogged. You'll need to remove the hopper unit, clean it thoroughly, and restore the toner path from the hopper to the PCU photoconductor unit. I'll show you how to fix that in my next video, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications.